Paulinumowa. Maria Paulinumowa is one of the suspects of the Bank PNI case burglary, Kebayoran Baru branch. The case started in 2002 when Maria applied for a loan from a PNI bank for PT Gramarindo Group. The loan aroused suspicion from the PNI bank because it involved several banks that were not their correspondents. At that time, Maria was the owner of PT Gramarindo Mega Indonesia. Maria disbursed funds from PNI using a letter of credit. Letter of credit is an international payment method in the form of a promise to pay from the issuing bank at the request of the importer addressed to the exporter by stating that the issuing bank will pay the money after the conditions in the letter of credit are met. In June 2003, PNI was suspicious of the financial transaction of PT Gramarindo Group, and then BNI started an investigation, and the result stated it was found that Gramarindo had never carried out export activities in recent times. During the 2002-2003 period, PNI Bank disbursed a loan worth 136 million US dollars, or the equivalent of 1.7 trillion rupiah, the exchange rate of the time, to PT Gramarindo Mega Indonesia. It is suspected that the disbursement to Gramarindo was due to the involvement of PNI insiders. This fictional letter of credit was later reported to the National Police headquarters, but Maria Paulinumowa had fled to Singapore in September 2003. Maria has also been registered as a Dutch citizen since 1997. In Kompas Daily, 5 November 2003, the National Police Headquarters arrested Edi Santosa Kusadiwono, former head of the main officer of the PNI Kebayoran Baru branch, Jeffrey Basso, owner the Basso Masindo and PT Triranu Cakra Pacific, and Aprilia Widarta, President Director of PT Pankifros. A number of names were mentioned in the Bank PNI case, including Adrian Herling Waworuntu, owner of PT Gramarindo Mega Indonesia, Ola Abdullah Agam, Managing Director of PT Gramarindo, Titik Pristiwanti, Director of PT Bhinneka Tama Pacific. Then, Adrian Pandelaki Lomowa, Director of PT Magnetiku Usaha Indonesia and Managing Director of PT Varimaster Indo, Richard Kauntul, Director of PT Metrantara, and Maria Paulinumowa, who are suspected of being one of the main suspects in the PNI Bank fraud totaling 1.7 trillion. In Chile, Maria was arrested by Serbian authorities at Nikola Tesla Beograd International Airport on July 16, 2019. After notification from Interpol Serbia, the Director General of General Legal Administration immediately sent a letter requesting extradition acceleration on July 31, 2019 to the Serbian side. This extradition process is the end of a long process for Indonesia to hunt down Maria in the 1.7 trillion rupiah bank fraud case. The government had proposed extradition to the Dutch government but was rejected. The Netherlands only gives the option to try Maria's case in their country. My advice in this case, Maria must be immediately prosecuted so that she can immediately take responsibility for her action. Even though it is clear that Maria is guilty, she must still ask for assistance from the legal counsel because this is the right of the suspect, and also so that the investigation is not postponed and finished completely. For Bank BNI, it would be better if evaluating the governance of the letter of credit processing service so that it can find out how to perpetrator can do this. Thank you.